Hello and warm welcome to you all to Talkie English in this new video. أهلا ومرحبا بكم جميعا متابعي قناة Talkie English في هذا الفيديو الجديد.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all doing good and you're all well. Did you notice anything? Yeah? Alright, anyways, today's expression is going to be come out of your shell. I repeat, come out of your shell. To come out of your shell means to become more of a social person, right? So when you say that someone makes you come out of your shell, that means that they make you become more of a social person. They make you more socially active. You become more engaging in social activities, and you become more of a social person in general. All right? So yeah, this was our expression for today. So I hope you've got something from it. Don't forget to support me by hitting that heart, follow button, and see you guys inshallah tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful and you've got something from it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you like this content, please click subscribe and show us your support by clicking that like button and activating that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. شكرا لمشاهدتكم هذا الفيديو. إن كانت لديكم أي أسئلة رجاء اطرحوها في التعليقات. لا تنسوا إظهار دعمكم لنا باشتراككم في القناة، إعجابكم بالفيديو، وتفعيلكم لزر الجرس لتتوصلوا بأحدث الفيديوهات فور رفعها.